Boss Ricky Vlogs, pahinga ka na. Kaya nga ano, Ma'am Honey? Sir Ricky, magpahinga ka na Sir Ricky. Kasi anong oras na dyan sa'yo, Sir Ricky? Maraming salamat talaga sa support mo sa akin, Sir Ricky, sa amin. Well appreciated, Sir Ricky. Thank you, host. You're welcome, World Tours. Because here in YT, we're just give and take na, so no worries. I'm watching your videos already, but still not yet done. Ano ko lang kayo guys ha. Baby Flurms, Miguel up shout out Baby Flurms. Thank you so much Baby Flurms. Good morning Baby Flurms. Baby Flurms, thank you so much. Ayan guys. Miguel up shout out Baby Flurms. Good morning Baby Flurms. Alam, kung kailan ako magpatapos guys, World Tours. Wait lang guys ha. Ayan, may binabang bahay si World Tours guys. Pasoy ako pakitamsakan guys. Nadikitan ko na si Inday Gamay, si Boboy Guapo. Si Wolverine na lang pala. Miguel Love shoutout, Honey 2029. Sariki, Miguel Love shoutout Sariki. Ayun guys, tapos na kayo sa short ni World Tours guys. Kasi ako, may ako. Ayun, may 34 minutes pa ako Thanks, Pin. Welcome, World Tours. Watching World Tours here. I'm here right now in your videos. Watching. Sariki, thank you so much Sariki. May ginap shoutout Sariki. Maraming salamat sa support niyo always sa akin Sariki. Kahit anong oras, kahit anong late na dyan sa'yo, Sir Ricky, andito ka pa rin nagtambay. Kaya thank you so much talaga, Sir Ricky. Thank you for being supportive. Maraming salamat talaga, Sir Ricky. Sa lahat ng andyan, Bibig Mariam, at saka Bibig Chinsky, maraming salamat sa tambay nyo. Thank you so much for being supportive, Bibig Chinsky at saka Bibig Mariam. Sir Ricky, watching ako sa videos mo din. May harang Sir Ricky. Dito ako sa videos mo. Ikaw at ako dan showdown. And guys, thank you so much guys. May ganap shoutout sa inyong lahat guys.